Hi children, how are you? I am fine. By the grace of God, you are also fine. Today we are started the class due to Corona. So we started in the school. 6th class, Social Studies. First lesson, reading and making maps. Okay, today we are explaining about the reading and making maps. For example, take our district. They are dividing it 4 divisions of the Krishna district. First one is Newsweed division, and Vijayawada division, and Gudivada division, and Machilipatnam division. These 4 divisions we are calling as a Krishna district's revenue divisions. How many divisions are there? 4 divisions are there. First one Newsweed, Vijayawada, Gudivada, Machilipatnam. We will go for next map. This is also Krishna district map. It is explaining about the 50 mandals. Whole district they are dividing 50 mandals. Our mandal is Pedana mandal. So near surrounding Machilipatnam and Bantumilli and Gudivada, Pamaru and Pedana, Kurtuvenu and Avanigadda, Mopadevi, Chellapalli, Gantasala, these are all mandals in Machilipatnam division. So it is explained totally 50 mandals are there. In Krishna district, total 50 mandals are there. So here, in AP 13 districts are there. In these 13 districts, we are dividing 2 parts. One part is coastal Andhra Pradesh. It is nearly 9 districts are there. First one Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Visakhapatnam, East Godavari, West Godavari, Krishna, Guntur, Prakasam, Nellore. Up to Nellore, Srikakulam to Nellore, we are calling as a coastal districts. 9 districts are there. Remaining 4 districts is the Rayalaseema districts, Kurnool district, and Anantapur district, YSR Kadapa district, Chittoor district. These 4 districts we are calling as a Rayalaseema districts are there. This side we have Bay of Bengal, sea coast is there. That's why we are calling 9 districts belongs to this coastal area. Here they are explaining about the whole the 13 districts. These 13 districts, our AP capital is Amaravati, it is Guntur district. So, coming to this map, in this map, we have the headquarters are there. Visakhapatnam headquarter, Visakhapatnam only. Vijayanagaram headquarter, Vijayanagaram. Srikakulam headquarter, Srikakulam only. And West Godavari headquarter Yelur, and East Godavari headquarter Kakinada, Krishna district headquarter Machilipatnam, Guntur district it is capital city Amaravati and Guntur also. Prakasam district it is Ongolu headquarter, Prakasam district quarter Ongolu, and Potti Sri Ramulu Nellore district Nellore only headquarter, and Kurnool headquarter only. Anantapur only headquarter. YSR Kadapa headquarter. Chittoor only. These 13 districts, only 5 districts we have 5 district headquarters it is changed. For example, Prakasam Ongolu, Gunturu Amaravati, or Krishna Machilipatnam, West Godavari Yelur, East Godavari Kakinada. These 5 district headquarters it is differently. Coming to here, reading, making a maps, is 2 friends are there. The 2 friends Mallika and Mallika's house. Districts map already explained. Political map. It is explained the districts, mandals and divisions also. And here Mallika and Laila, these 2 friends, they are met in Srikakulam district. they have make a friends, and after then one friend called to Laila, I will come to your house, please send one route map for me. They told, then only she sent one route map from bus stop to Laila house. Here too they are making a one map, a sketch map. This the bus stand to her house she want to come, then only this map useful for her. That only bus stand to her house she turned, two turnings are there. This is the first turning, this is second turning. Here one school also there. This is the bus stop. After one ground is there. After this, she is coming on the road and she find out one school. And after then she turned again, turning, and she reached her home. So without a sketch map she can't reach home. Otherwise, how much distance she did not explain. She did not explain the north, south, east, west. She also not explained this map. So she forgot. But even though with some we are traveling one place to another place, we will use one map. That's why map it is very useful for the one place to one place we are traveling. It is very needed. We identify very easily also. So we should explain with the directions. What are the directions are there? For example, look at this picture. This is the north side, this is the south, this is the east, this is the west. These are four directions we know very well: north, east, south, west. So these another four directions also there. That's we are calling as a cardinal directions or cardinal directions or cardinal points. Cardinal points. So look at here, north, east, between we are making as a northeast, and east, south, this is the corner direction, this is southeast. Southeast, south and west, southwest, and north, west, northwest. So these are all we are calling as a cardinal directions. Through these directions we identify which place is the direction east, which place is direction is the west, which place is direction south, which place is the north. We should identify very easily. For example, you take one boy or girl, they are standing in front of, it is raising one sun. Sun raising, this is called east. And opposite direction west. And right side south. Left side north. This is the very easy for identify any directions. In front we are looking the sun, we are easily identify the directions in the map. We are using some symbols also. We are using, while we are drawing some pictures, we should know about the common symbols. What are the common symbols? Common symbols means we know very well some symbols. For example, when you look at in this picture, we should know this is the blue color. This is indication. This is the blue color indication, always showing the water body is there. Where there is the giving the blue color, that is the water. Here, look at here, it is the river flowing. So this is already mentioned, north, south, east, west. River flowing, it is the north side, it is from north to south it is flowing. And when you are identify some symbols, this is the masjid. So when you are looking this kind of symbol, it is we are calling as a masjid symbol. In this way, one road also this is the we are calling as a kacha road. Kacha road means it is not a cement road, it is not a fine road. That's why we are calling this is the kacha road. Where when you are looking this one railway track, this symbol showing very well known. It is the symbol explaining about the railway track is there. This is belongs to one highway is there. This kind of symbols we are using. We know very well where is the railway station, where is the masjid, where is the tank or pond, where is the river, where is the temple, where is the church. That is the we are calling as a common symbols in our map. So many people they are using common symbols, means we know very well that symbols, then only they are giving on the map. We will identify symbols very easily. We reach the same place. And for example, look at here, one road is there. This is the road we are going to the school. This symbol is showing a school. Here, look at this one tree. It is giving green color, and we are giving on a tree symbol. Tank symbol. Kacha road means it is not a fine road. Index Pakka road, it is a nice concrete road. And masjid, temple, church, railway line, meter gauge and railway line. PTO means post telegraph office. PS means police station. RS means railway station. These places we are calling a settlement. Settlement means some people they are living, they are keeping one name that is called Nidubrolu place. And here Ponnuru one place. Here Siripuram one place. This is the called settlement. Settlements where their people are living one place. That is we are calling as a settlements. So while you are drawing this picture, without showing the direction, we can't reach the same place. Then only we need to give directions, and same times we are giving the directions and symbols also. Then only we will identify very easily place where we are going. People they are drawing sketch maps from village to school. Some people they are coming by auto, some people they are coming by bus, they are coming by cycle. So for example, one person this is the route map, this is our Palloti school. Palloti school, it is one highway is going on, one line goes to the Pedana and Machilipatnam, and another line it will go to the bypass road, it is Nandamuru. Here Nandamuru one college, and this road will goes to the beach area also. I am living in near beach, that's only I gave from Palloti school to my home, that is the route map. Daily I am coming by bike beach to Palloti school. So same wise, you also give one sketch map from your home to your school. So you should draw one sketch map from school to your home or your house to your school. That is the sketch map. You should draw one sketch map. That is the homework for you. So coming to what we have learned today, 4 divisions are there. Krishna district, 4 divisions are there. This is Nuziveedu, Gudivada, Machilipatnam, Vijayawada. And Krishna district it has 50 mandals are there. For example, Machilipatnam division, Machilipatnam and Kurtivena Mandalam, Bantumalli and Gudivada, Pamaru, Mova, Gantasala, Chellapalli, Mopadevi, Avanigadda. This map explaining about the 50 mandals in our district. So third one, it is the Telangana state. Here 13 districts are there. In these 5 districts, it has different kinds of headquarters are there. For example, Krishna district, Machilipatnam is there. Gunturu, Amravati and Guntur also, it is capital city of Amravati. Prakasam district, Ongolu, it is the headquarter of the Prakasam district. And East Godavari, headquarter is Eluru. And West Godavari, Eluru, East Godavari is Kakinada. This is the headquarters of our Krishna district. So here also it is explaining about the 13 districts. 9 districts belongs to coastal area, Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Visakhapatnam, East Godavari, West Godavari, Krishna, Guntur, Prakasam, Nellore. These 9 districts we are calling as a coastal districts. These 4 districts, Karnoolu, Anantapur, Chittoor, Kadapa, these 4 districts we are calling as a coastal Rayalaseema districts. So we need some pictures. That's we need this picture. We will show the route map, how to reach from bus stop to house. We are next one. We learn about the cardinal directions. Not only four directions, 8 directions are there total. That's why we are calling as a cardinal points or cardinal directions are there. Already we know about the symbols. While you are preparing the maps, we should know about the maps and the common symbols are there. That's why we are using on the map. Then they will identify where they are going, which direction they are going, which settlements are there, and in the map which symbols they are using. That is called common symbols we are using. PO means post office. Settlements, some people they are living. And here RS means railway station. PS means police station. PTO means post and telegraph office. Masjid and temple. Church, Kacha road and Pakka road. Tank, trees. Pakka road, it is a concrete road. Then only we identify, simplify this while we are making the maps. While you are listening this lesson, you should know about the Krishna district and AP coastal districts, and you should learn this through video. You should revise and making nice pictures, and you should draw one Krishna district map. Stay home, stay safe.